Yeah, this is going to be part two. Sorry if that last stream cut out on you guys on YouTube. That was out of my control and I didn't notice it until I looked over to the chat. Part of the game sometimes. StreetSmart or Streamlabs works when it wants to. That's what I use to record and stream. Really good move on BTX though. Nice $3.50 rip. Look at that 10-minute. Oh wow. RHE did it as well. From 14, it ripped all the way up to 15. Good $1 opportunity. Oh, and then SPCE kept going as well. Look at that run. 24.50 all the way up to over 27. $3. AMC had a good run today as well. From 12 to 14, $2. And then ANVS, look at topped right out, right underneath VWAP in that previous day's close, all the way back down. All right, we got a half hour before the market closes. Let this BTX get a pullback. Look for 16 to hold. $15.50. Here, you guys want to look at the Bookmap? There's Bookmap on BTX. Oh my goodness, Hawk Driver. Zoom in on that picture and see if you could see their address. Thanks, one scalp for me. You are discussing gurus giving false promises when the YouTube feed cut out. Yeah, I was in the middle of telling Dan the schedule here. That's what it was. I don't even think he's back in here. See, I like this thing right here where it tells you the buyers and the sellers right there. I gotta change that zombie. I hate that zombie. It's just fun with this book map. Just sit here and watch it like a movie. You sit there and just watch it. It really is playing out like a movie. And you'll see the drama between the buyers and the sellers. Price action. Hawk Driver, my girlfriend's the same way. Look at that, look at that BTX run. 16 up to 1750. It's squeezing. Wow. Oh my goodness, you could zoom in and see that guy's password. There goes BTX. Yeah, I have the Rick GIF for when people subscribe to the channel on YouTube, and then when people become members, I have that scene from The Wolf of Wall Street where they're all at the desk and they're banging on the desk. One of us, one of us. Man, I knew BTX was going to do that. I just had a feeling it was going to do that. What a good end of the day play, guys. This is where I haven't seen Power Hour with a play like this in a minute. I never really stick around this long. So Power Hour's holding up to its name. You guys know me in the chat. I'm here in the morning, and then by like 11, 11:30, I'm done. I'm not trying to stick around here all day and watch paint dry. Just going through here reading the chat. Who thinks BTX hits 20? We got 20 minutes. Do you guys think BTX hits $20 in the next 20 minutes? Running up another 250? Or do you think it's done and it's exhausting itself? It's right at that red line on the 10-minute. It might be a good swing. They have to give us that $2.50 push. From here, it could slam down a dollar, just over a dollar. I don't know. It's asking for a lot because it just moved up $4 a share within the last 45 minutes. But hey, anything's possible. You got to keep an open mind. But at this point, the risk outweighs the reward. I mean, think about people who bought here and it flushed down like that. See, finding resistance right underneath that red line on the 10-minute. That 233 EMA. $22 million in volume. Look at all day. Volume topped out there. Even SPCE's going parabolic into the close. JZXM. I don't see a JZXM. N, not M. JZXN. That's just a pump and dump. You don't want to see a stock have a run up like that and then give back all of its gains. That's not showing strength. You want to see stocks have healthy pullbacks and continue pushing up higher. Got 14 minutes, guys. Is BTX gonna do it, or is it gonna do it after hours? I think after hours it runs over 20. tape is super heavy on BTX. What'd you guys trade today? What'd you guys trade and make? Well, it looks like Dekmar made 46,000 on Tesla. He swung this stock, didn't he? A good run. DLBY. Yeah, solid $3 move on it. From here all the way up. Seeing SPCE. That's a pretty good chart. So like we pointed out today, guys, what do you think today for charts of the day? Out of all the charts, what do you think is the chart of the day? I'm gonna say, SPCE is a good one. ANVS is a good one. Right here. RHE was a good one. Man, I don't know why that's not working. Screw you. Oh, and DraftKings was a good one. GameStop was another good one. Mara, pretty solid one. So we do have a variety of good charts. For the number one chart of the day, I want to say BTX, but news really helped that one. I'm going to say GameStop is the chart of the day. There was a lot of really good technical setups and breakouts on GameStop. Like I already posted a picture of it, or I drew it out. Market closes in 8 minutes. So for chart of the day, right here, my selection is going to be GameStop. May 24th, 2021. GME, Monday, May 24th, 2021. Great technical setups and breakouts. We had a wedge, some U-shapes, and a cup and handle. I really like that ANVS chart as well. That was a pretty good looking chart. How much did GameStop move today? From 173 to 188. There's my chart of the day, followed by ANVS. I really like this chart. Like I said, I like the morning stuff right there above 70, a big psychological level. So, oops. So I'll write morning stuff at 70. And then it picked its direction. It trended down. It had that consolidation before its next leg lower. And then it bottomed out down here at $52. So just so I could see the price, I'll draw my line, 52.22. I can draw, I mean, look at that. That's beautiful. Clearly bottomed out. And it also curved around like that. I like setups like that. Curved around, and it was in a range, we said too, right here. Back and forth from 53 to 56. So a nice $3 range back and forth like this. And then it finally broke out and it held right here as support. Off it went, topped out at VWAP. $52 to $61. So that's a nice $11 range. I mean, just the range bound fact at the bottom and then the climb up to VWAP. I really like that. So I'm going to I'll write it down here. $52, $56. $52 to $61. So there was two good opportunities. Ticker symbol ANVS. What should I call this? The bottom rounding VWAP climb. So that's what I'll name that. Clear that. So I have two charts I'll be sharing in here. The market's just closed. Oops. Oh my goodness, I can't type. $52. $52 to $56. I mean, that's a $4 range, guys. I posted two charts today. GameStop and ANVS. I'm going to say they're tied. I really like this chart. And this is how you guys get better, like I preach. Don't be shy and afraid to mark up these charts. It's all about how you look at these charts and your perspective. That's a pretty cool idea that we have here in the community. I really like the community that I was able to build here. I can really honestly say that. River Place. As you explaining, paint dry is the best financial advice a person could receive. Won't do it, maybe after hours though. Yeah, that's what I was saying on BTX. I could see it ripping up to 20 for sure. It's just a matter of, do you really want to risk it? If you're up in profits, I would say don't bother with it. Secure the bag, as I like to say. Ginger girl, you've been with me for a while. Said maybe a little more volume is still strong in the 5-minute candles. JZXM still going up. JZXN. MSTR is taking off. See, look at that push on BTX. 1675 up to almost 1750. VSTM. Yeah, that was a good pusher today. Nice $1. You could draw a few things out on this. Whoops. You got your wedge right there. Pushed up. Then you had the trend line all day. And then you see it finally broke that trend line. And it crumbled. And then it came right back up to the area it flushed down from right here. Needs to break over that 405. A good pullback. I'd say it needs to hold 370 at all cost. I'm glad you decided to share your knowledge to create the community. I appreciate that. Zanzi. See, when I was first starting out, I obsessed over this stuff, guys. I still do. But any video, any book I could get my hands on, I was blowing through them. Trading DVDs, blowing through them. Getting my paycheck, going buying these trading DVDs, watching them, taking notes, blowing through charts, staying in on the weekends, locking myself in. I had the advantage though. I didn't have a girlfriend or any kids. So all I had was myself. So I'm thankful for that. But don't get discouraged if you're married or if you have kids. You just have to work a little bit harder. So I posted my charts of the day. I'm interested to see what Hawk Driver, if you're still listening, what you post, and Irish Clover. I think Irish Clover went in for something though. I think he's going to be absent for a minute. But I stumbled upon a really cool tool I'll share with you guys. DNA Investments. When you are tired and fatigued, you do not have the same level of self-control as if you were rested. Sleep is everything. You really need a good night's rest for sure. I think it's this one. Yeah, it is. Isn't there a website where we can get this off of? But I thought that this was pretty cool and I'd share it with you guys. Usually every day, I mean, I wouldn't follow this guy for his stock advice because if you see a person with the Wall Street Bets logo and diamonds, that's just screaming cringe. But he posts some good stuff here, like every day. He's posting general trading or general trending tickers, stocks with the most mentions. So here we got Ford, followed by Tesla, Apple, GameStop, and you can go down the list and see which stocks had the most social sentiment. A lot of people have been talking about Ford. Post stuff like this. Stock price versus ticker popularity. So the yellowish line is the stock price. The blue line is the mentions. And you see already after the stock already started taking off, about 75% of this first spike here is when people started really mentioning and talking about it. And then it pulled back and kept going. Pretty cool. Stock price and the post count. That's cool. He's got to be using a website for this. I just don't know which website it'd be. Alrighty, so I could take this. We could put, usually before I close up for the day, I go to my Monday, Tuesday tab, and I put in all the ticker symbols that were in play and that caught my attention today. So we had ANVS, SPCE, RHE SCPS DKNG BTX. What else did we have? Ooh. Yeah, Ride. Hawk Driver mentioned they were putting earnings out after hours when the market closed. I guess they put bad earnings out. Lordstown Motors said 2021 production will be half expectations. It needs capital. Yeah, that hurts. Let's add Ride, because that was popping off. And then also, I have the stock bot chart lookup, so we can see what was popular. So, out of 21,000 servers in the last 24 hours, these are the most popular stocks that were mentioned the most. That's what this stock bot is pulling from. So SPCE, Tesla, SPY, AMC, SQ, PLTR. All right, let's pull those up. Or we can add AMC and GameStop. SQ. That $200 a share. PLTR. That's at 21 bucks. Now we're talking. That's a price range I can afford. I'm not trying to buy a $200 stock. What am I going to put up? $250,000 to buy, what, 100 shares? Dang, PLTR, yeah, that's a good move. It got squeezed. That's what happened. We can add PLTR to our list. The Swaggy site. It must be his website then. Search stock tickers. Top YOLOs. Ooh, Robert, if you're watching, you'd like this one. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna take a picture. I don't know if you're watching, Robert, but you'd like this one. I'm gonna tag you in it. That's another thing too, guys. If you're a part of this community here and you're active in chat every day, we grow a bond with all of each other. So you get used to what everybody likes to look out for, what they like to trade. And as you're growing, and we're all growing as a team, now we have multiple eyes in the market and we're all working together and we're having each other's backs. That's what's great about a community. And like I said, I did have this open for free, the Discord, but to be honest, so many noobs came up in here just wanting hot stock picks, not wanting to take this seriously. I got tired of it. I got tired of putting my time into people that would just want everything handed to them and then they dip out. And it's like, dude, I just spent the last 2 months taking you by the hand and walking you through how to learn this. And then you just dip out. But yeah, Robert's going to like that. So the top pot stocks with the most mentions: CBD, TLRY, TILT. I'm actually going to save this website. This is a really good website. For fun, let's look up BTX. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, Hawk Driver. I forgot. If you're watching this, I still got to check out that thing, that trick that you showed us with that dude's website. So BTX, it had a spike in mentions here right at the beginning of May when it ran up. What's this? I have no idea what this is about. Crypto trends. Let's look at that. Crypto trending tickers: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. What's ADA? Is that Ethereum? Yeah, I don't know what ADA is. And Bitcoin. Oh, there's AMC. Look at that one. Penny stock trends. Huh. Yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. Most upvoted YOLOs. Wall Street Bets ticker sentiment. Comment volume, positive sentiment, negative sentiment. That's pretty cool. Thanks for subscribing, Leon Robinson. I'm going to post this website for the guys in the chat as well. What other stocks did we have? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Calvin Jones just became a member. Welcome to the Wolf Pack. Calvin Jones, if you're watching, follow the link to the Discord. And this is how it works, guys, for you guys that are watching and listening. So any of you members, in the video description, there should be a direct link to this Discord. And then once you enter the Discord, go to the welcome and then react to the Me6 spot to be verified. And you'll unlock a lot of the channels, but not all of them. You're only going to unlock like maybe 15% of the server. You're not going to see all of these channels. But if you're a member, find me, Mr. Wolf, and then send me a message with your YouTube username, and then I'll take care of you and I'll unlock the server for you. That's how it works. And then if any of you guys are confused, you don't know how this server works or operates, remember, just always go to the start here. I've really tried to put everything that I could and organize it for you guys so you can go through and read this stuff. And I even have a tutorial video and a welcome video. Just go through here and read this stuff, and you'll understand how this server operates. I mean, there's a lot of people that come in here and they never, ever click on the start here and go through this stuff. None of them. And they send me messages like, where's the chat? And it's like, brah, don't be shy. Click around. Go through all this stuff. Don't get overwhelmed. All this stuff in here is actually to help you. 90% of the channels in here are all educational rooms. Where we do a lot of hanging out is right here in the green. The Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the Friday chat. We're all up in here throughout the week. And then over the weekends, we'll be in the Trader's Lounge. Or during the day, I'll just say, hey guys, let's all jump into the trading live stream. And I'll jump into this. I'll share my screen like this. And I'll go live. And I'll live stream for you guys real time. So again, welcome to the community, Calvin Jones. Send me a message on Discord and we'll unlock the server for you, buddy. All right, what else we got? We were going through and adding these stocks to our Tuesday list, or Monday list, I'm sorry. Even if we visit FinViz real quick, this is another good way of doing it. Let me close down some stuff here. I got a lot of stuff running and overwhelming my computer. PTPI, that was a good $1 move today. Dang, look at GBL. Look at that rally. That thing's been running up from 18 to 28 nonstop for like 3 weeks. Hold on 1 second, guys. All right. We'll sort this by percentage gainers and work our way down the list. There's your JZXN. VRTV. This one had a good move today. $51 all the way up to 61. Went under the radar. RCON. LBPH. It just had a huge gap down here. Ain't got no volume though. Man, have you guys had that Coca-Cola with coffee? I'm drinking one right now. It's actually not bad. I don't know if I would drink one in the morning. I mean, why would you drink pop in the morning? But for like something after lunch or something, maybe one a week, it's not bad. RNGR. Looks like Dekmar had a good profitable day. 46,000 on Tesla. Wow. 350 shares. Wow. That's pretty good. 350 shares. That's he put up $250,000 and he made 46,000. That's pretty good. See, he was watching SCPS as well. What I miss about this was trending. There we go. I would like to go through here and see what other people were saying throughout the day. But what's a big turnoff with stock twits? A lot of trolls on here. There's a lot of stubborn bag holders. And you'll hear people like, let me show you an example. Like, you'll just hear them boost and brag and talk about a stock and how they nailed it. And then when you go to their portfolio, like, they never post their P&L. That's what would irritate me with stock twits. Like, dude, if you're gonna talk all this stuff and brag about how you're the best, why wouldn't you back it up with your P&L? Ride, I held from 31.80 to 6.69. $1 doesn't scare me. So we click on this guy. He's been a member not long, since 2020. And you just see all he posts about is ride, 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 ride. Bullish. All this is ride. Like, this dude is obsessively non-stop ride, 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 ride. That's insane. This dude's putting on a post every other minute. Look at this. 116, 116, 117, 120, 123, 131, 133, 135, 136, 140, 158, 159. Like, dang, dude. Chill out. See, and then he's going to talk crap about Nate from Investors Underground. Yeah, this guy obviously has no life. But nowhere you'll see their P&L. And they'll talk and talk and talk and talk and talk about a stock. When I would post on here, I'd always back up my ideas or what I was talking about with my P&L. I've been a member on here since 2017. So see, all of these I'd post what I was thinking along with my P&L. And I just got tired of it. I used to post a lot on here. Look at that entry. I nailed that one. But I don't understand why people wouldn't do this. If you're going to talk about a stock or something, at least back it up with what you're, back up your talk. That's what's a big turnoff with stock twits. It's just all talk. All of them know what they're talking about. All of them are geniuses. This guy, he's what? Withdrawing money? That's all he posts. I don't know what's up with this guy. This dude's responsible for all of those crypto spam messages that we receive. Join our room. There's a pump going on in crypto right now. It's up 800%. We mentioned it a day ago. Let's check the price of Bitcoin. Check the price of Bitcoin and we'll wrap it up for the day. I heard Cupcake, yeah. Cupcake said Bitcoin up 32% today. Woo. Good little rebound. From 31K all the way up to 39K. It's still in a downtrend though. I wouldn't get too excited. Go to the past month. 3 months. It's trying. Just take your candle. There's a few ways you could do this. You could draw your line here. Straight down like that. Or you could draw a steep line. Like this. That one will work. Bitcoin's going to run right up to 45K right there. 45K, then it's going to run to 50K. These are the levels that it could run up to. That 50K, 45K. But draw a line connecting all the lower highs. And then until that stock breaks through that line, don't chase after it. Let it break through it. And then wait for it to pull back. Wait for it to pull back and then see if that line then holds as support. Look at all that massive volume right there on that sell candle. It was a big whale that unloaded right there. Look at this day. The fuck? It was like trending up. I'd put it like that. Trending up. And then when it fell through, took a pause and a break with that consolidation. And then it continued pushing down even lower. Now it's just getting a good bounce. And it'll bounce probably up to here where it fell through. About 42K. Surprised it got up that far. Normally they'll bounce up like, yeah, like maybe to here. Where's that? I don't know the ticker symbol for that Dodge. Yeah, it's the same thing as Bitcoin. Gee, look at that. There's no way. That's gotta be an error in the chart. Next level it's gonna run up to is here. Just below 40 pennies. Dogecoin's weird. Maybe another time, James. And maybe when you sign up for the community. We've been streaming for what, 3 hours straight? I'm done. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Hopefully you guys had a good day today. You guys started off the week on a right foot. Started out the week on the right foot. Also keep in mind, this is the last week of May. And then this weekend as well is Memorial Weekend. So we're going to have a 3-day weekend. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Monday, the markets will be closed on May 31st. So we got 4 days left of May. Let's end out this month on a strong note. And if I don't see you guys, have a good Memorial Weekend. Remember what the holiday is for. Relax, guys. Take some time off. Enjoy yourself over the holiday. And for you guys, for you members, I'll see you in chat tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace. Kelvin Jones. What you're going to want to do is head to the Discord, and there's going to be a link. Join the Discord, and then send Mr. Wolf a message with your YouTube username, and I'll take care of you. So if you go to my YouTube channel, Trading Learning 101, I'm right there. Click on me, go to the About section, scroll down, there should be a Discord chat room link right there. You click on that, and it'll direct you right to my Discord. But keep in mind, if you've never used Discord before and you don't have a created account, the link will not work. So you'll have to go to Discord, create an account with a username, stay signed in, and then go back and then click on the link, and it'll automatically direct you to my server. And then you click continue to Discord. All right. Then once you enter the Discord, right at the top up here, there should be a start here. Go to the welcome, react to the Me6 bot to get verified, because if you don't verify yourself, you will get booted from the server within 1 hour. It's in place to protect the server because there's a lot of spammers and trolls out there that like to raid Discord servers and try to just mess them up for the fun of it. So this Me6 bot is here to protect us. So react to this message here, and it'll give you a verified role. And then I'm right there. Mr. Wolf, send me a message. Send me a private message with your YouTube username, and I'll unlock the server for you. All right? Did you get that, Calvin Jones? I'll also go into the YouTube here and not YouTube, the Facebook group. And the live stream on there, I'll send you a link. Talk to you later, John. Surprisingly, a lot of people don't know how to operate or have never used Discord. All right, there you go. Posted that link in the Facebook live stream, so all right, you guys. Be safe out there. Enjoy the rest of your evening. And thanks again for joining